Welcome down to Legoland Windsor. It's our update, early summer. And yeah, there's a few things to show. We want to get back on the Legoland Express. That's now reopened since we were last here. It's had a lot of new models, which we really want to check out, because that's really why you come to Legoland, isn't it? We're going to show you the entrance area as well, which isn't quite what we thought it would look like, but we'll show you it anyway. And of course, any other updates we get while going around the park. We're going to start right over the other side, probably with the Legoland Express. Since our last visit to the park, the Legoland Express has reopened. It's got some lovely new signage here, lovely new colours, and we know it's got some new models. So we are going to now brave the queue to show you some of those new models. We finally made it on, and here are some of the wonderful new models. We've got some beavers and a jeep around this side. By beavers or otters? Well, they might be otters actually, I'm not really sure. It's a good start, isn't it? And a jeep. Some of these were wrapped up when we came around last time, which includes some of the now flashing photography and the monkeys which come through here. And we are filming the other side as well, so you will see the ones on the other side. I have to say, some of these new models really are cool. And we've got the witches right outside the ghost house. Round by the boating school, some of the models, it's hard to tell whether they're new or have just been pointed towards the train. But we have another one taking pictures. Seems to be a common theme. And you've got obviously the larger elephants down there, and you've got a little baby one up here as well being fed. And then as we come around to Deep Sea Adventure here, we've got some Deep Sea Adventure models. Other side of the monster house, we have some actual monsters. Look at those. This one feels a little bit more Mythica, but still really cool. With the Venus flytrap and the model there. And as we come up here, there's quite a few birds around, really detailed. And this one is absolutely no different. Before we go for our review of the new Lego Express, the event is on at the moment, the Lego Festival. There's loads of little bits and pieces. It doesn't seem to be on today, even though it's running till the 8th of June. But loads of little displays up. We'll try and capture them as we go around the park. Currently there are still no shows on at the park. However, a miniature Ben & Jerry's has popped up, which is really cool. And there is a battle of the bands on the stage here as part of the Lego Festival. We'll check show times. I've not heard it or seen it, but I'm guessing it is on. I will just say that I don't know if these are old footers or something, but to have holes like that right next to the kids area, and we can see the kids climbing on them, is not a good look. Like, genuinely not a good look, Legoland. I think they should be covered up. It is a little bit quieter down here. No new hut for food round here, and we've just got off the Legoland Express. So, Legoland Express. First, I'll just say that 47 minutes we're on the third train. I'll let you do the maths on that one. 7 minutes per cycle. Loading was awful, like awful. The worst I think I've seen for a long, long time. The models are fantastic, they really are. Now I think most of them are on the left hand side. It's up for debate, let us know what you think, but I think at least 60% of them are on the left hand side of the train. But they are beautiful models, and they really, really add to the ride, and I mean add to the ride. There's a lot of interactivity with them. There's a lot of animatronic ones as well, which is what we like to see. You get sprayed with water. Yeah, it's got a bit of everything. The train definitely feels a bit slower, whether that's deliberate or not, I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. But actually really, really good. So great improvements, not so good operations, but great improvements to Legoland Express. Now last time we were here, we were checking out as well the work that was going on the hotel as that was being painted, and you can see now the shade that they have gone with, very slightly different to what we had beforehand. It does look fresh. Some great model refreshes as you come around here, and it's good to see the water running again. Something awesome is coming. So the Legoland mini stage, which obviously hasn't seen entertainment yet this year due to the cuts in budget, is actually being refreshed and repainted at the moment in preparation for summer, where they will be farmed out, if you will, for third-party entertainments. But work is ongoing. Can't wait for these to return. It's a major part of Legoland for me. Yes, every day is a play day, just not today, seemingly. So Lego Festival is still on. It is really weird because it's really busy here at the park. It's the Friday before the half-term week, but nothing's on. Even though this is advertised as an everyday occurrence, nothing is on. It does look really cool, in fairness. And it's quite easy for the park to put together because it's very little entertainment in terms of, you know, people entertainment. But there's a lot of interactive bits where you can go and build, share. Yeah, it's a real shame. It's a real shame. Real shame it's not open, to be honest with you. One of the new things they are doing is an insiders clubhouse. Now you can't walk down there at the moment because all this work is being done, which is why we've come on the train to show you. But you can see we've got some new graphics up. Whether that opens a bit of the building previously of the Star Wars exhibit, I'm not sure. It does seem a bit of a waste down there, but definitely the whole building is being redone here at Legoland. To give you the latest down here at Viking River Splash as well. Obviously this shut's been shut a while now. There is still no sign of any changes on the site at all. Everything is still very much in position. It is definitely looking a little bit sorry for itself, to be honest. That's the views from the hill climb. If we come back down to check out Sky Rider, which has obviously been removed from the park, we now have quite a big actually structure going around it, around the old queue area. Nothing else has changed around here. There's nothing else in sight, and I highly doubt, in honesty, that there's a ride plan for this area because of the size. We finish our update outside of Legoland at the entrance as promised. Now you can probably see there's quite a lot of footers and things going in, and all the booths have been removed, but it's been a couple of months since we were here, and we are going into peak season, and there's just nothing really. I'm guessing there's a structure going up ready for the entrance, but I kind of expected the entrance to be up, I can't lie to you. This is kind of what you're greeted with at the moment. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what it looks like and kind of what it will be like.